Hello everybody, my name is Sonele and welcome to iStore Meets. In today's video, we'll be discussing one of the features you might not know is available on your iPhone. Backtap allows you to perform a variety of tasks on your iPhone by simply tapping at the back. It's a quick and easy way to streamline your phone usage and save time throughout your day. In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up and use Backtap on your iPhone. Let's dive right into it. First, let's open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Once that has been done, all you need to do is scroll and look for the accessibility option. Tap on that. Once you're in the accessibility menu, you need to look for the section that says physical and motor, and right underneath it there's the word touch. Tap on that and scroll all the way to the bottom until you see Back Tap. When you're in the Back Tap menu, you'll see that you've got two types of taps, which is either a double tap or a triple tap. I'm going to use the double tap for now. As soon as you access the menu, you'll see that you've got a ton of different options that you can work with, from Control Center to even locking your screen or even muting. I'm going to pick on Control Center. I'm going to swipe back up to go straight to my home screen and double tap to bring up my Control Center. And there you have it. Once you've set up the Back Tap feature, you can use it to quickly perform tasks on your phone without having to navigate through menus or using physical buttons on your device. Thanks for joining iStore Meets with me, Sonele. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and if you like this video, hit that like and the notification bell to be notified when we post more videos like this.